Ah, the ever-dividing question of amapagabaga and amakosi. But anyway, let's unify the nation right now in music. Guest artist Bam Bam Brown in the studio performing a song called Avalanche.
Higher up around diorama, a little closer to the edge of the frame, searching higher for her own panorama, where nothing seemed to feel the same. She cried, Avalanche, you've got such a long way to go, and I guess it really wasn't worth the attention. Circumstance leaves us all with somewhere to run, and I guess the attention at all. She took sketches of her own melodrama, a little closer to the kink in a chain, searching higher for her own panorama, nothing seemed to feel the same. She cried, Avalanche, you've got such a long way to go, and I circumstance leaves us all with somewhere to run, and I guess it really wasn't worth the attention at all.
Yeah, man. Lovely stuff. Beautiful, beautiful music on your Feel Good Breakfast show. Hopefully getting your Thursday started on the right kind of note. But nice song, man. What inspired that? The song is called Avalanche. Yeah, tell me all about it.
It's a song about a young girl that recently came into my life through friends and closer friends, and just a reminder about how someone can get so caught up in their own story, it can really help them lose their way. You know?
Wow.
Everyone's kind of caught up in their own situation, trying to look for perspective, I suppose.
Yeah.
And then she meets an avalanche, and that's where she gets perspective. On her way looking up, she meets an avalanche coming down.
Wow. Yeah. Are all your stories, or songs rather, inspired by deeply personal things like that, or points of reflection?
Yeah, I try and write non-personal songs and things like that, but they all just, they all come out from somewhere or some experience that I've had, or every single one.
All right.
Yeah.
And if your fans now are older and you're looking to experience a live show with you, where will you be performing next?
We're actually playing on Saturday at the waterfront, the V&A waterfront.
All right, at the amphitheater.
Amphitheater at midday.
Lovely.
There's going to be a whole bunch of bands there. Her band's playing as well, Oram Zamela. And then we're playing at Rock and the Daisies. We're going to be there on Friday. I hear Rian, the big Hulk dude is going to be there as well.
The big Hulk dude.
Yeah, we'll be at Rockin' the Daisies as well
Excellent.
after that. Yeah.
All right, and following you on social media, where can we keep up to?
Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, I try and keep it as like
All at Bam Bam.
the Bam Bam Brown.
The Bam Bam
Yeah,
Brown.
there is another Bam Bam Brown from Alaska.
But you're the real one.
The saga continues.
Dude, thank you very much for the music. Much appreciated. Hope you enjoyed it too. Let us know what you thought about it on our Feel Good Breakfast Show's Facebook page and on Twitter with hashtag Expresso Show.